Hello, welcome to Temmy Crypto Live. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and people everywhere in the world. Thank you for being here with us. This is one more edition of Temmy Crypto Live, where we bring everything crypto and everything Temmy. I hope you're doing great where you are in your part of the world. Well, let's see, we have a very busy show today. I hope it fulfills your expectations. We're gonna go straight to our section where we talk about Temmy to 1 million. So let's see. We're gonna be looking at the chart first and then talk a little bit about the community and a couple of interesting things that have happened today with our dear coin and community. Let's go ahead and take a look at our bit here. We are gonna use bird eye, probably, yes, bird eye. So hope you're having a good start of the week. I see below on my screen S&P 500 up 1.18%, a good day for the stock market as well as the crypto market. Not so bad today. So Temmy USD, the chart. Okay, this is the 4-hour. Hold on. June 4th, what is this like? Is it like this? Maybe you should expand that a lot more. Okay. So not a lot of action in the price, as you can see. Here we are basically where we were yesterday at 10.95. Okay, so we are pretty stable. Not a lot of movement. Okay, that's for the chart. So what do we expect for the project? Well, we have to be positive. The community is growing. Today we had some conversations with a project that is interested in working with us in partnership. There is a big possibility that we have an airdrop, especially made for Temmy holders. We're gonna be talking about the details in the next couple of days when the deal is settled. But for now, I can tell you that most likely we're going to have a special airdrop of a new project exclusively for Temmy holders, and that's great news for the community. Okay, one more thing that I like to do is go ahead and I don't know why I'm doing this. Hold on, Temmy Crypto. Well, let's go to the profile here. Okay, this is our profile. If I didn't show you our X website before, here is our our X account. Here we have our Temmy. We have the new picture uploaded, and what we do every day is post our videos here, so people can go directly from Twitter to our YouTube channel. we have been having interesting numbers, like for example yesterday we have here 81 people view this one 56 people, this one 53, this one let's say 130, pretty good, 111, 36, 35. So we've been improving the number of views. If you see from a week or a couple of weeks back, we had views between 10 and 20. Now we are having more than 100, which is really positive. Thank you very much for the people who are visiting, commenting. I would like to see here the comments. Hold on. I wonder what the comments are. This project is fantastic. We are intrigued and would like to discuss it further. Okay. So looking pretty good on X. So thank you very much for your support there. All right. So that's for our Temmy section of our show today. If there are any comments, I would like to know if people are watching at the moment. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's Jose. Thank you for being there, Jose. Hi. How are you doing? Okay. Let's go to the next section of our show, which is trading Bitcoin. Okay, so this is a time where the traders should pay attention. We can trade together here. So let us go straight to our Bitcoin chart. Let's see. All right. Hold on a second. Here we go. Okay, what's the price of Bitcoin at this time? 71,024. Okay, there is a pretty interesting move with strength to the upside. We were expecting the price to go lower. Yesterday we said the price wouldn't go higher than... No, we didn't actually say it wouldn't go higher, but what we did was say that we shouldn't take a trade because there was a likelihood that the price would go down. But it just didn't happen. So we said the best trade was no trade, so we didn't trade yesterday. Now today there's a different situation here. So let's see how we handle this. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the 4-hour because we are trading the 4-hour chart. There is a movement to the downside here. Not that significant. Let's see, the price went down. Oh, actually the price 12 hours ago went down to 69,609 and then recovered. We were around 70 yesterday. Yeah. But then the price went up to, what's this, 71,700, almost 72,000, and now it has retraced a bit. Okay, so what is our trade going to be? Now look at the EMA here. So the price normally tends to retrace to the EMA, and we are like a lot higher than the 55 period EMA. So it would be kind of risky if we took a trade at this time. Because the price just actually may go down. Let's say, oh, the 1 hour. Yeah, in 1 hour, in the 1 hour chart, the price is holding. It is still the price, the strength of the move is not that hard. We are retracing to the 55 EMA, and we could bounce from that one and continue to the upside. Okay, let's check out a couple more indicators and see if we can take a trade. Or indicators and charts. Let's take a look at the DXY. Which is the dollar. Okay, the dollar is moving down in the 1 hour chart. Let's check out the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour, the dollar is trying to go up, but not with enough strength. The dollar is not doing so good today, and it may continue to go down, so we can take advantage of this move. Let's check out the daily. Okay, in the daily, yes, still bearish for the dollar. If the dollar goes down, Bitcoin most likely will go up. Alright, so if this is the case and this is the scenario, we might BTC Binance. Okay, what do we do for our charts? A trade for the next 24 hours. Do we take it or not? What do you say? This seems to be a bullish continuation here. It has just retraced. Maybe we should wait a little bit until the price reaches 70,000 and then enter the trade. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Right now we are at 70,981. 70,000. Let's say 70,300 and then we take the trade. What do you say? I wouldn't buy at the moment, but maybe leave a buy order at 70,300 and then wait for the rebound and then look for a sell at around 72,000. Okay, so that'll be the trade. Okay, so let's wait for, and let's see if I can write it here. wait for the 73,000, okay? Well, I cannot write it there. Sorry, 73, no, 70,300. Okay, 70,300. And then buy. So we're going to leave a buy order at 70,300 and wait for the price to go up. Okay, so that's going to be the trade. If you want to follow up on this trade, you can join our Telegram. You can see that in the description, the Telegram for our community. Just join, and then I will be publishing updates to this trade. Okay, so that's for our section trading Bitcoin. So we are buying at 70,300 and expecting to sell at 72,000. Okay, good. So now let's move on to our news story of the day, and the news story of the day has to do with BNB. BNB to new all-time highs. So let us go to see here, BNB all-time high. Okay, so Coin Tribune says this in this interesting article. The Binance Coin BNB, the native token of the world's largest crypto exchange platform, recently reached historic highs by surpassing the $700 mark. This spectacular rise is not just a technical performance, it symbolizes the resilience and continuous growth of the crypto ecosystem, even in the face of major regulatory and legal challenges. So here they're making reference of the former CEO of Binance, Zizi, that is in jail serving his 4-month time in prison. He was condemned, and so he is serving time in jail for 4 months. But the new CEO is working really hard to keep the coin afloat, and he has done a fantastic job taking Binance Coin BNB to a new all-time high. We mentioned this yesterday. We looked at the price, etc. It caught me by surprise. Actually, I was not expecting that. And this morning, it ran from Banter Crypto, talked about Binance Coin and BNB and Binance. Banter Crypto, yeah, it is this one. Let's see if it's indeed this one. The latest one, yes.
Así logré recorrer.
So he was talking about BNB this morning and the BNB ecosystem, or BSC, the Binance Smart Chain. And one of the things he mentioned was that the coin had been increasing its price consistently, and not many people actually were talking about BNB. It was not in the news that often, but little by little it was gaining ground until yesterday the price of BNB just broke its all-time high. And let me see if I can find it. Not here. Real world assets, BNB. Okay, here he is talking about the BNB ecosystem. He in his part of his show explained how BNB has been consistent throughout all these months, working really hard to regain confidence by its users. And also he suggested that some coins from the BNB or BSC ecosystem could be actually worth holding. So let's listen to what he had to say this morning.
I've been in crypto long enough to know that when most people write off an ecosystem, when most people say DeFi is dead, when most people say Solana is dead, when most people say an ecosystem is dead, that is the time when you should be looking at the ecosystem, right? That is the time when you should be buying the ecosystem. And there's one ecosystem that was pronounced absolutely dead. But in the background, on the sly, very quietly, it has been going up and going up and going up every day. For a long time. It's just been going up and going up and going up and going up and going up. And finally today, that ecosystem has actually hit an all-time high. It's actually broken out and is now firmly in price discovery. Now, the ecosystem that I'm talking about, for those of you that haven't been following, is BNB. Most people actually wrote off BNB. And they said, look, BNB is CZ and Binance, and CZ is now in jail. He started serving his 4-month sentence. And most people wrote off this ecosystem. But the reality is, I mean, I don't know if you remember, but the one thing that I don't like in crypto is when people do what I call grave dancing, right? So what is grave dancing? Grave dancing is when someone is down, you kick them even further and you kick them even further. And so Travis Kling, and I even said to him, bro, you're so obsessed with Binance. When do you get the time to do anything else? Also, if you're so confident, just take your money out and short. Like don't every day tell us Binance is so bad, Binance is so bad.
Okay, so yes, he's very right. People were grave dancing after CZ was sentenced, and everybody thought that the ecosystem was dead and wrote it off. And even since that time, the ecosystem has been growing consistently. And so BNB now is at the top. Not many coins have regained their all-time high besides Bitcoin. BNB is probably one of the first, if not the first, coin to reach a new all-time high after Bitcoin. So congratulations for the people from the BNB ecosystem and Binance in general. Okay, so that's the news that I wanted to share with you. Let us now go to our daily recap of the price action, or the updates of the prices of the different coins that we often follow. We are at CoinMarketCap, the website at the moment. So Bitcoin at 71,138. We're waiting for 70,300 to enter the trade. Ethereum, basically same price. Solana, basically, we could say, basically same price. Dogecoin, not a lot of variation. Now Toncoin looks interesting at 7.18. Let's take a look. Maybe we could take a trade also with Ton. Ton is the coin. Yeah, okay. Look at this. What do you say? Do we have a chance? The price should be at 7.80. It's at the moment at 7.18. If we follow this trend line here, we could predict the price at 7.7 is currently at 7.18. It is tempting, at least to buy and hold some. Shiba up 4.69 in the past 24 hours. Uniswap well retraced a bit. Yesterday it had a move to the upside, which was very interesting. Pepe up 1.20%. Kaspa, people have been talking about Kaspa in the past couple of days. In the last 7 days, up 30%. Another coin with basically at the same price. Flocky up 2.81%. And that's basically it. Notcoin 1.95% down, and Bonk 2% up. Okay. So guys, that is basically what I wanted to share with you. Let me see if we have some viewers who would like me to share any coin, would like me to talk about a particular project. Okay, not at the moment. Okay. So tomorrow we're gonna be talking about, I hope, about the project that would like to partner with us and help us not help us, but have an airdrop sent to Temmy holders. And the other news I would like to share tomorrow probably is gonna be some tricks for the people who are playing this hamster combat game on the Ton chain. By the way, they announced that the hamster combat coin was going to be released on Ton and the Ton network. Okay, so that's the show for today. Thank you for being with us. I hope to see you very soon. Well, wait, tomorrow. Okay, have a good day, a good night. Take care. Goodbye.